Hi Shweta.
Hi. Hi,
So
Kunal. How are
Shweta,
you?
what do you do?
I am a digital marketing professional for 10, 12 years now.
Wow, 10, 12 years, a digital marketer.
Yes.
So you seem to be a veteran in the digital marketing field because this industry itself is like 10, 20 years old only.
I started off quite young. So, yes, definitely. I have understood the how digital marketing has basically evolved throughout. So, when since the age of 15 itself, I've been used to tech so well that digital marketing became my forte.
Wow. Tell us more about your experience. How did you reach this stage of being such an amazing digital marketing veteran?
Firstly, we began. I started with offline marketing itself. My first job was a
Okay.
sales job, and I started with sales with a sal of round about 8K itself. It was a very big thing then, and now it
Right.
has. It's more. It's even more now. So yes, definitely it has grown a lot over the years, and with experience, with understanding minute things in marketing, how exactly you have to crack the customer with
Right.
psychology as well. Okay, so I'm very good in human psychology and understanding what actually the customer wants. So I have helped brands to build that same position in terms of understanding and reaching a product towards them. Okay, be it their own
That's
brand
much.
identity or be it their own product service.
Since you're good in understanding people's psychology, so tell me
Yes.
what is my psychology behind creating this video?
Psychology behind this video is basically to inspire more people, I believe, isn't it?
That's very impressive. That was very quick.
So yes, we are looking
Congratulations.
forward. I i just i just make sure that apart from digital marketing, I believe psychology is also going to help a lot in your future for marketing strategies,
Right.
because that's the one thing I basically learned even on my first day of advertising was advertising is an emotion. That's all. So I go with that thing,
Very true.
understand people's strategy, how exactly it goes off, and I usually tell it to everyone: advertising is an emotion. Be it any advertisement,
Uh,
without an emotion it will not work. So
right. We are all emotional
if you
beings. Most decision making is happening emotionally only,
absolutely,
or maybe a
yes.
majority chunk of decision making involves emotions.
Yes, absolutely. That's the reason why we consider certain products, because there are kids involved, there is a sentiment involved. So then why not?
Right.
So these days, people are also doing making sure that they can change people's psychology just because of certain concepts that can be added, like maybe women
Right.
empowerment, or maybe sharing the equal load, gender equality roles, and there are many other aspects to it. And it is only because of this emotion that it encourages us to be more creative in marketing.
Right.
So yeah.
And what about your education background?
Education background, have specialized in advertising, and been a mass media student, been a photojournalist as well. So yes, I love photography, and I cover many other what do you say, themes and genres, where street photography is also one of it, and other concepts of it. And moreover, I focused in advertising itself, so branding, being on board with people, understanding how we can reach the customers, be it any age group. So for
Hmm.
me, if they throw a challenge, I feel excited. So that's how I approach my clients also.
Wow.
So you can ask me any questions if you want to, with regards to marketing, advertising. Give me a product and I can give you a solution. I've become that
I can see that.
it's become flexible for me.
That's very nice. So a very straight and blunt question, Shweta. How much money do you make?
Well, currently it is 12 LPA right now. Yes,
Wonderful.
12 LPA
And
minimum. That's
are
what
you
I'm
happy with
saying.
that kind of money, Shweta?
See, you should never be happy with what you have. Okay, you need to aim more. So yes, there are so many incentives with companies. There is a lot of networking going on. So yes, absolutely, one or the other companies approach us, and we make sure we serve them. So I'm just giving you the base price, that is 12 LPA, but that is even more than that. So it's
I'm
just a
sure.
gist that I'm giving. I don't want to make people greedy about it.
Right. So, Shweta, what is your X factor? Why should people uh, take you as a source of inspiration? What is that X factor in you that would attract people to your skill set, to your exposure, to your experience, to you as a personality?
So there are many, actually, because I'm a multi personality person. Okay, I have many faces to be very frank, but a good one, I can guarantee you on that. So yes, with photography, people will tell me that I'm a very good photographer, no doubt in that. I have exhibited my work, no doubt. Secondly, when it comes to marketing, you give me any problem, I am there for you with my human psychology skills. Okay, so the X factor that you're talking about, that's one thing, one beautiful thing I make sure is observation. Okay, I'm a very keen observer, and attention to detail is one of my thing. So if you speak, I will not take you for granted, and I'm not judgy. So that's my thing. So you can be an open person in terms of discussing your problems, discussing your professional problems in terms of your product or brand, and I'll be a problem solver for sure.
Wow. It was wonderful talking to you, Shweta the Observer, and thank you so much for giving your time. I wish you all the very best for your career. And that's all
Thank
for
you
today.
so
Thank you
much,
so much.
Kunal. Thank
Take
you.
care. Bye.
Same here. Bye bye.